You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly. There's only one essentially pronunciation for British English and American English. This is a type of round bread. It's pronounced bun. The sound is an sound. It's a schwa sound, alright? So it's not bon, it's not bone, it's not bin, it's not ban, it's bun, as in a burger bun. 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 How to pronounce English pronunciation, bun. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.